First, I would like to go with Dr. Parak, sir. Sir, can you please give us a brief idea about what is ICMR and what is this ICMR STS?
Thank you, Venkatesh. So ICMR is the Indian government's premier body or organization with regard to research. And ICMR has a mandate to promote research in the field of medicine in India. And what better way rather than to start inculcating the attitude and aptitude towards research early in the any medical professional's career, which is right from the student's time itself. So postgraduate students surely do engage in research in the form of a postgraduate thesis or dissertation, as we know. In ICMR since 1979, in fact, a long many years has been this program running, which is called STS, which is short-term studentship, where the ICMR invites applications and provides stipend to the students, the selected students, and thereby the ICMR promotes research, even starting from the undergraduate students' days itself. So the history is quite long, and STS has been becoming popular these days with the advent of technology. The applications are online, and after COVID especially, we have been using technology a lot. So since last few years, a lot of students, ICMR has been a buzzword among medical students as well. And whenever it's time that the ICMR is about to announce the STS studentships, there is a lot of discussions happening around, and you see a lot of buzz around this. So to clear few of the questions, we are here in this session today. So that's about STS.
Thank you, sir.